What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Complex. Today we have a surprise unboxing haul regarding AliExpress. Let's take a look. All right, so they went ahead and sent us these awesome-looking game pieces. So we have this Switch controller, this Elite Pro controller, as well as this XU10 emulator system. Now, all of this stuff you can actually purchase in the links below. Let's take a look. All right, so first off, let's take a look at this cool-looking controller. So this here is IINE controller, so it's a Switch wireless controller. Definitely looks really cool. So it's designed for the Nintendo Switch. Let's open it up. All right, so this thing is really cool. Check out the awesome graphics on it. There's a lot of details on this, and of course, it works perfectly fine. Now, it's got a cool looking gripper on the back, as well as a turbo button. That is awesome. And then, of course, you do have some LEDs built into it. Definitely a great addition for any Nintendo fan out there. All right, then up next, they sent us this Elite Pro controller. It's like almost like a transparent controller. That's actually pretty cool. Also designed for the Switch, of course. Let's have a look. All right, so as we're opening it up, it has actually a really cool wire. I want to show you that detail right there. So it even has a wire that kind of mimics the same style. That's absolutely cool. And then, of course, we have our controller. All right, so check it out. Again, a really cool controller. I love the fact that it's completely hollow inside. You can see all the unique inner workings. Got some cool looking gripper as well as triggers in the back. Then, of course, you do have additional buttons on the bottom here. Oh, look at that. You can even see the battery. Now, I believe you just go ahead and turn it on. Whoa! So you have these awesome looking LEDs inside. So you can already see how nice that looks as it's trying to connect. But yeah, definitely a really cool addition for any Nintendo fan out there. All right, and then we have the XU10 by Ampowin. This here is essentially an emulator system with a lot of games designed to play some of the coolest emulator systems out there. Let's open it up. All right, so check it out. So definitely a really cool handheld console. Reminds me of the old school Nintendo consoles with a gigantic screen. And of course, you have these awesome looking like DualShock controller kind of vibe to it. On the back, you have some triggers. And then of course, you do have your different ports as well. And then a micro SD card port. Let's turn this thing on and try it out. These here are all the different games. So this here is actually a PSP PlayStation portable system with a bunch of PSP games. And then as you kind of move to the right trigger here, you have Nintendo 64. Oh my God, this brings back a lot of cool memories. You have Game Boy Advance, Super Nintendo, NES, and Dreamcast too. What? So this is absolutely cool. So there's a lot of different things going on in here. And yeah, I mean, you can see all the different consoles. I'm still going through all of them. This is absolutely insane. Now, let's just go ahead and try this out. So I want to actually show, let's do Dreamcast. That's actually going to be a fun one. So Dreamcast, and then let's just do Crazy Taxi. I remember this game. This is such a fun game growing up.
Hey, it's time to make some crazy money. Are you ready? Here we go.
All right, so this here's Crazy Taxi. Let's try this out. So it's actually surprisingly very, very smooth. Man, this brings back a lot of memories. Oh my God, so fun. And then like no matter what angle you're looking at it, how crisp is that? What? So cool. And then just go ahead and quit. All you have to do is hit the reset button. Just like that. All right, so we have Crash Bandicoot Warped. Man, another fun game. And actually surprisingly running really, really smooth. You can see how quickly this is running. I mean, for a game like this and the size of it, the nature, I have to say they did a great job with this. Not only is it fun to play with, but it's got a great sound. And yeah, I mean, hands down, a really cool console. How cool is that? All right, well, there you guys have it. Some really cool products from AliExpress. Definitely worth checking out, especially if you have a Nintendo Switch or if you're trying to find an emulator system. This is definitely a great way to go. Now, once again, they have 11/11 sale going on right now. Be sure to check it out. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.